If you come to Siliguri, this is one of the best road for your ride. It connects to Sikkim and also Kalimpong. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today for our destination, we are going to Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary, where we also have a plan to do a jeep safari. Arnav and Kaustav, two new members who are going with us to the right. So if you are coming to North Bengal, visit during the monsoon if you want to really enjoy this lush greenery all around you and a very peaceful drive. এখানে খেয়ে চলে যাবো, গৌতম ভিড় হবে তো, আমি কল করে নিচ্ছি। পার্ক কর। ওরা এগিয়ে গেছে না, 16,000 কিলোমিটার হলো একদম ডট। ইয়ে ছবি তুললি, নাইস। জিজ্ঞেস কত কি কি পাওয়া যাবে এখন, যেটা দরকার সবই আছে। আচ্ছা চল বস তাহলে, হয়ে গেল। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এই ওই তো আছে। হ্যাঁ, so here are all our members. Sinig, Shubhamoy, Arnav, Kaustav, one more Arnav, and here is Sayandip. From here we get a beautiful view, but I don't know we will be able to see it today or not. The hills are covered in fog, so you won't be able to see it today. But if you want to see it, you can go to our previous vlogs. I think the very first vlog that we have gone, I have shown the view. It was very good. That was during the summer, so we got a clear weather. The most significant thing about this road is that there is a bridge which was built by the British in 1941, which is known as Coronation Bridge, and also is one of the prime attraction of Siliguri. It's a beautiful bridge, and from there you can get a very good view of River Tista. Before the Coronation Bridge, we get two temples on the way. One is towards your right, Mahadev Temple or Shivji's Temple, and on the left, Shevak's Kalibari. It's a Kali Mandir. So you have to go all the way out here. People often come during the weekend to pray. That is the Coronation Bridge. There. Yeah, the repair is complete. You can see the river Tista from here. During the monsoon season, all the rocks that you can see towards the side, I don't know you can see or not, get submerged inside the water. On this road, you also get a viewpoint from where you can enjoy the view of the Tista river. So you can sit here and enjoy the view of the mountain as well as the Tista river. Okay, I think we have almost reached the end of the hilly terrain. Shevak does not have steep turns, but the turns which are there is like a snake. So there are many blind corners where if you are not careful, it can be deadly. Road of Shevak has finally ended, and now we'll be entering the doors shortly. The best thing about staying in North Bengal is that you get very beautiful locations all around you, which you can see different variations in different seasons. How will you recognize if it is doers? The scenery changes suddenly, like you were in a hill and then suddenly you have tea plantation all around you. Today the destination or the place that we are visiting is also a part of Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary. If you come to this place in Duars, there are a few locations that you can visit from here. Like there is Murti that we have visited previously, so we are not going to go there today. They have relatively narrow road with trees lining on either side of the road, so that looks beautiful. So if you want, you can visit there. So Arnav and Kaustav has to go back. Kaustav has got some emergency work. Unfortunately, he will be not able to continue the rest of the journey with us today, but it's okay. We have got 3 more members who are going with us. It's Shubhamoy, Anik and Arnav. Indian roads are full of stupid drivers, especially these truck drivers. They don't look if there is someone in the lane or not, and they are crossing, and they're also crossing in places where they are not supposed to cross. I hope you all are enjoying the content so far. So if you are really enjoying it, then do subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. because they should also know about all this information that we are giving before they come to any place, especially if they want to visit North Bengal. If you have not seen our previous vlog, we had gone to a place which is known as Pine Tree of Purba. Many people don't know about it and they go directly to Tingling on the way to Mirik, but that place is beautiful. If you have not watched it after this vlog, you should definitely see it. I'll leave a link in the description below. You have got a trek, a mini trek that you have to take, and you go from right below the hill to the top of the hill. As you reach towards the top, along the path you get pine trees lining up on the two sides of that trek. It looks really mesmerizing, and last time when we went, Adrij was with us and Ayan was with us. According to them, and also I also felt the same thing, that place doesn't look like it is in India. Trekking was a bit tough. If you are not used to it, it will be tough for you all, but if you can do it, it is really beautiful. And from the top you can see Mount Kanchenjunga at one side, and on the other side you can see the Tista river, the river that we have crossed. Gives you a beautiful panoramic view. GoPro ব্যাটারি শেষ হয়ে গেছিল। এটা চলবে তো রাস্তাতে? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ চলবে, আরে 4টে ব্যাটারি আছে, নো প্রবলেম। এটা যদি তুই কনস্ট্যান্ট শুটিং করিস তাহলে ওই হাফ অ্যান আওয়ার ম্যাক্স, তার বেশি থাকে না। চার্জে না, আমি এক্সট্রা ব্যাটারি নিয়ে এসেছি, ব্যাটারি চেঞ্জ করি না। So yeah, the GoPro battery died on me, and also I think you will get a better view right now because the camera settings was set to linear and now I have set it to super view mode. One problem after the other. First the GoPro battery died and then the mic got disconnected. I will give you a review of the jacket that I am wearing today. That is Rhinox Stealth Evo V3. The riding comfort is there, though I have not wore any riding jacket before. This is my first riding jacket and today is the first time that I am wearing this jacket. As you can see, these are the vents, so if you feel hot you can just open them up. The air will flow inside your body and take care of any kind of perspiration that is taking place inside. Mic খুলে গেছিল, mic So this is very important. Always keep your next rider to the mirror range. As soon as they go out of the mirror range, stop, wait for them. If they do not turn up, call them up. When you're riding in a group, you should always follow this. Today the GoPro is also giving me a lot of trouble. I have just changed the battery, but it decides to stop working on itself. I don't know what the issue is. Maybe because of the cold environment it is stopping. Let me know if you all face similar kind of problem while using GoPro Hero 11, because this is really unacceptable. I have to stop again and again just to set up the camera. So we have reached Chalsa. We'll go ahead from Chalsa and then towards our left we'll have our destination. চ আরে GoPro কাজ করা বন্ধ করে দিল, একবার মাইক খুলে পড়ে যাচ্ছে। আরে যা তাই, মাইক ভেতরে আছে না মুখের এখানে। আরে রেকর্ডিং করতে দেখি যে আওয়াজ আসছে না, বুঝতে পারছি না রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে না, খুলে দেখি যে GoPro অনই হচ্ছে না। আবার ব্যাটারি খুলে আবার লাগালাম, তারপরে হলো। এইটা হচ্ছে তোর ইগনাইট, এইটা হেডলাইট। আরে চালাবো কি, এটা গ্রাফিক্সটা হেডলাইট। চালাবো। I know many of you like to do solo riding, but I always prefer going in a group because you never know what will happen on the road. Always it is better to have someone who knows you along with you. So yeah, that's Chalsa and we have got more 7 minutes to reach our destination. कहाँ से? मैं तो शिलीगुड़ी का ही हूँ। आप लोग कहाँ से हो? अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं वो सामने चापड़ामारी। हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू, ओके, बाय बाय। You will always find people, especially in younger generation, who loves BMW bikes. It is always very good to meet new people when you go on the road. These two guys were lovely. So they inquired from where I have come, how they felt about the bike. Really good conversations. This is the best thing. Roads and all are fine, but getting an interaction, getting a feedback from the people, that really helps a lot.
We're at Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary.
তাই কি এখানে জঙ্গল দিয়ে ঢুকবো নাকি? ওটাই বলছি, জঙ্গল দিয়ে ঢুকবো নাকি? সামনে গিয়ে দেখি।
সামনে গিয়ে কোনো দোকানপাটে জিজ্ঞেস করি না?
না, সেটাই বেটার হবে, লোকাল কাউকে জিজ্ঞেস করলে হবে। We have come to Chapramari, but apparently we have to make a pass before from Lataguri or Chalsa to visit this place. With bike we can go till only the entry part. So we will reroute our journey to কোথায় যাচ্ছি?
Rocky Island.
Rocky Island. Beautiful place, I have visited before, but Rocky Island, they have improved the road now. If the road is okay, we will continue our journey, or else we'll go to Sultanekola. চালিয়ে কেমন লাগছে? হ্যাঁ, চালিয়েছিস আগে? অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না তো? ঘোরাতে পারবি এখানে? ব্যাপক চালাচ্ছে। We'll go back to Chalsa. So this one is going towards Lataguri forest, and this one will go towards Mitli. So we'll take the right hand side road. This is Metali. Basically it is a marketplace before the hilly terrain starts. We'll follow Arnav's lead here to reach our destination. 21? আরে বাপ রে, এক জায়গায় দাঁড়া, একটু রেস্ট নি। We took a small stop because there is more 21 minutes drive from here. কি বললি? একবার বলেছিলাম আমাদের সাথে রাইডে যেতে, অনেক সব রেকর্ড হচ্ছে কিন্তু। It is fun to go around with these guys. Hilarious. How peaceful is it? Away from the city noises, with a beautiful road, beautiful company, and a beautiful terrain. Lots of beautiful things. I really enjoy the Sunday rides. Often we are not able to go out, but still when we are able to, it's really enjoyable. Maybe we are not able to reach the destination that we have planned. There are some technical issues that comes up, but riding is such an experience. Those who do not do, you should definitely try. So welcome back to the hills. Being from Siliguri, most of the roads and the scenic places that we can visit are hilly road. So we had to take the right hand road from there. We came straight. Okay. So this is the road. Hopefully the road will be okay. The road is pretty narrow. They have crossed and gone. This is the road to the Rocky Island. যাওয়া যাবে? রাস্তা দেখ আগে, রাস্তা দেখ আগে, ওঠা যাবে? এই যে এদিক দিয়ে ওঠাতে পারবি? Okay, I'll see if my bike will be able to go. Try. Okay. Woo. Oh no, I hate this kind of road. In the hilly road, this pebble kind of road are very irritating. Oof. So that was the slope. Yeah, that was covered in pebbles entirely. While going up, it will be a problem for me. Okay, successfully we have come down. I hate this road. I don't know any BMW bike has come here before or not. Oh no. কিরে রাস্তা যা অবস্থা, অনেক নেবে যা না হলে। My god, which stupid person told the road is okay? While coming up it will be quite the hassle for me, but first I have to reach there properly. We have almost reached. My god, that was quite terrifying. That is Rocky Island there. There is a bridge, a waterfall. Road condition is horrible. Only at the start they have mended the road, but the rest of the road is in the same pathetic condition as before. When tourists comes to these places, from the government they should at least mend these roads. These places are so much neglected. So yeah, that's the Rocky Island. Huh? অনেক বছর আগে এসেছিস? We have finally reached Rocky Island. Chapramari, it was a disappointment. But it was our mistake for not knowing exactly about the booking and all. But still, Rocky Island is a good spot for tourists and for a Sunday getaway if you're staying in Siliguri. Out here you have got a steel bridge, you have got big rocks and also a waterfall. If you come during the summer, you can take a bath here. I can see few fishes out here. I think I can get it, but I have to open up my jacket first. Okay, I'll get back to you. Let's take a look under the water. We'll follow Arnab and go up because he has already gone up, so he knows the path well. Just look at it. Really look mesmerizing. আমাকে নামতে বলছিস, নিজে নামবি না? আমি নেমে কি করব? ওকে। My God, the water is too cold. That's a waterfall, but I think we should not go any more ahead. And let's see how the shot is from inside the water. That was Rocky Island. Now we will head back. We'll have our lunch at Mal Bazaar. As it is winter, it is getting dark sooner. Arnab, how was your experience?
Very good.
Very good?
Amazing.
We'll be waiting for Shuvomoy and Anik to come. So yeah, see you until next time.
That's all for this vlog. Stay tuned for our next adventure.